Welcome everyone, welcome to the channel. So how to check the battery usage of any app into your Android device. So this is a Samsung Galaxy tablet S6 Lite, and we're gonna find that which app is using more battery from my tablet. So in order to do that, we can get into the settings. In the settings you can choose battery. In the battery you can see here battery usage is 20% from these apps. So if you click on view more, you see Need for Speed No Limit is using 16.2%, and I was just playing this game earlier, so that's how you can see 1%, one UI home. 4K wallpaper, we were just downloading the wallpaper. So that's how you check your battery usage of any app from this Android device. And thank you for watching the tutorial videos. If you like the video, please subscribe to the channel and stay tuned.